My story goes way back with my teeth. I come from Ireland as a young fella, at 18. So growing up in Ireland, dental care was not available. I met my wife in the city, in New York City, and she had beautiful teeth. We eventually fell in love. We got married, and life went on. And the next thing, I would always complain about my teeth. I had pains and root canals and all the regular nonsense. So she said, "Why don't you go to see my dentist, see what he thinks?"
Dan's a really great patient. When he came to me, his biggest concern was that he had bridgework in his mouth that was from the 80s that was just failing and deteriorating to the point that he really couldn't eat. More so though, he wasn't feeling like himself. All his life he's been a really confident, really strong individual. He's a Vietnam War vet and honestly carries not only his family on his back, but carries all the people around him. You know, he's a great positive energy and he's a really kind soul. But his teeth were holding him back. And he knew that his inability to eat, his inability to speak, the smell that he was experiencing was making him start to feel very shy and turn more inward.
The one thing that I found about this place, you were treated as an individual, you were treated as, how can we help you? And finally, Dr. Volchonok came in, and that was perfection for me, because I talked to him man to man, and I told him, I said, "You know everything about dentistry, perhaps, but I said, you do not know how a man like me feels coming into your office." And he said, "I don't." He says, "But I hope that you will be able to fill me in and tell me."
We had an instant bond and a great connection because we knew that we were able to talk about the technical aspects of the work, and we really got off to a great rapport because I got to know not just him, but his family as well. His wife, Martha, came to the consultation, and I understood that she really was the rock. Honestly, I don't even know how she puts up with him. He's a larger-than-life personality, but she's a really kind soul, and they're the cutest couple together. She talked with him, and they discussed it amongst themselves, and they said that this is something they're going to invest in, and it's something that Dan needed to do.
Within a couple of weeks, he had a plan, and he says, "This is what we can do."
When we saw Dan for the procedure, we did it under IV sedation, so he went to sleep. We were able to remove all the failing teeth, all the failing bridgework, place dental implants, and give him a brand new smile that is so fitting, that looks so lifelike, that gave him all that confidence and all that vitality back.
The moment those teeth went in and they were locked in, you just know it. There's a signal sent to your brain, man, this is a part of me.
He was coming out hugging me, the team, everyone involved, and he was so grateful for the work that was done. A few months later, we put in the final set of teeth. He was able to have a steak dinner, he was able to barbecue with his family, and he was really able to get back to life in the fullest sense of quality in the way that he enjoyed it. Dan is one of the greatest proponents of the benefits that full arch implant dentistry can do for someone, because he knows that it's able to transform your life. Not only is it able to help you eat and speak, it's able to help you feel better about yourself and know that you have that youthful, vibrant smile that he's always known he had.